Hi guys, it's Erica from the Nerd Journals. These are my Pipsticks subscriptions for December 2021 and January of 2022. I have waited so long to show you these that I almost just didn't even bother, since if you cared enough to watch this sort of video, you probably would have watched one by now to see what was coming in your Pipsticks package. But I was encouraged to go ahead and film it anyway, and I do want to post a couple videos a month, so here's my Pipsticks. If you've never received one before, they come in very, very beautiful packaging. I did subscribe for a couple months. I think it was 6 years ago, I want to say, and they came in different packaging then. It was kind of see-through vellum with black patterns on it, but now they're these plasticky iridescent envelopes, and they're so pretty. I'm gonna have to cut this out and use it in my glue books, because that is so beautiful. I love iridescent stuff though, so you know. This is the little booklet that came with my Pipsticks in December. I haven't read through these yet. I'm probably not going to bother to read it. I'm sure it doesn't really... It's not that exciting. The artist's little thing on the back, I'll check those out, but probably nothing too exciting in here. I'm going to be more excited to cut it up and use the pictures in my glue book, because you know how I do. And inside of the first envelope I showed you is this clear envelope. Let's see if I can get everything out of here. And this I'm definitely going to keep and use as well. It's so beautiful. The back is gorgeous as well. It came with this little postcard. Once more, some pretty iridescent of a hound dog with some mail in his mouth. Oh, there you are. Sorry if I didn't show you that very well. And now I'm going to start showing my stickers. These are the stickers that came in December, and what a good set they are. So hopefully... Oh, there we are. Look at those mailboxes and letters and stamps. So gorgeous. Guys, you gotta understand, I've been using... I've had these stickers for a month or more now, and I still haven't used any of these because I really wanted to show you these little mail carriers and the dogs and the mailboxes, and this is a really great set. I'm glad I joined up for the 2 months that I did. I don't usually subscribe to things like this. Check out those pens, ballpoint pens, fountain pens, all kinds of pens. I love it. I don't usually sign up for stuff like this, but they had a Black Friday deal. I was able to get 2 months for, I think it was 20% off. These are all just 2 from XOXOX for your outgoing mail. Yeah, a Black Friday sale, and it was cheap, so I treated myself. All these stamps. I love the mushroom and the dinosaur, and I love the snail because snail mail, duh. Yeah, it's so cute. And here's one more mail themed sticker page. Dogs delivering the mail and the newspaper. Very, very cute. And then of course I got these. These are celebration stickers for the new year, I would assume. Of course, there's dog hairs on it because I have a dog-friendly household. Now, aren't those all gorgeous? That was so fun to receive in my mailbox. Yeah, I don't... This isn't my sort of thing to receive subscriptions. I'd rather pick my things out and get less, but this was just fun. It was fun. And here's my January. Once again, it's just the iridescent envelope. Here is the little folder that came with this one. I guess they have like a raffle and some people get little tickets inside they win stuff with. I did not win anything. But I did get this awesome sticker package, 2 sticker packages, so I'm happy. That makes me a winner. I'm happy with all the stickers I got without seeing them first. Now look at that. Is that one of the best postcards you've ever seen in your dang life? I love that iridescent boombox. That's super cute. I'm probably not gonna send this out because I'm in love with this one. It'll probably make it into a journal or a glue book or something. So I think the theme here was travel. I'm not a big traveler, so this one wasn't my favorite of the 2 packs I got, but they're still amazing. This one right here isn't even travel. This is a sticker page. It's got a sticker book on there, and it's got like little reams of stickers, sleeves of stickers, whatever you'd call those. Sticker sheets. I've never had stickers before, and this makes me happy. I'm not a morning donut and newspaper person. I'm more of a coffee in a mug and scrolling through Reddit person to get my news. You know, eggs and toast, but I'll use those. They are super cute. Actually, there's a couple people that I think of when I look at this, so this may be given away. Here is more stickers. For some reason, this is the first time I'm seeing this one. I'm not sure how I missed this one when I looked at it the first time, but these are Pipstick stickers. I'm getting really redundant with the stickers now, but there's more sticker sheets. There's Pipstick brand sticker sheets, a sticker album. Look at that. Can you see that well, guys? Yeah, right there. That's a comp book covered with stickers. How cute is that? And then there are these. These are the Valentine's ones. I would assume they look Valentine's Day to me. Very, very cute, very pink. I'm actually going to use these tomorrow because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. These are cute. These are, I guess, little New York City pigeons. And, look. Hey, I'm walking here. Keeping it cool. Oh, I really hope you're able to see these stickers, guys. I just realized I may not be capturing these well. Yeah, you should be able to see them. Alright, 2 more pages left in this pack and then I'm done. These are our tickets. Grand Central Station, Broadway, the Met. Yeah, it's definitely a New York / travel theme package, and then the Valentine's Day stickers as well. Look at these teeny tiny stickers. I could fit probably 4 of these on my thumbnail. They're so tiny. Those are cute. I feel like these are more planner stickers, but I will definitely use those because they're so teeny and cute. They'll fit anywhere. Alright, so I got to show you my stickers, and now I could finally break into them and start using them, and I'm so glad I got this video filmed. Thank you for always watching and supporting me, and thank you for, I guess, pushing me to go ahead and film this, so you've got something to watch. I will talk to you guys another day. Thank you. Bye-bye.